Black chickpeas, also known as Chana, have been a staple food in many parts of the world for centuries. While they may not receive as much attention as their lighter-colored counterparts, black chickpeas are packed with nutrients that can significantly improve overall health. They are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, minerals, and powerful antioxidants that support everything from heart health to digestion and weight management. Their dense nutritional profile makes them an excellent addition to a balanced diet for people of all ages. Unlike many processed foods, black chickpeas offer long-lasting energy without causing sharp spikes in blood sugar. They are also naturally gluten-free, making them suitable for people with gluten sensitivities or those looking to diversify their sources of healthy carbohydrates. Whether they're boiled, roasted, added to curries, salads, or soups, black chickpeas are a versatile ingredient that combines excellent taste with remarkable health benefits. Here are 10 amazing reasons why black chickpeas deserve a regular place on your plate. Number 1. Rich source of plant-based protein. One of the greatest health benefits of black chickpeas is their impressive protein content. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscles, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting healthy immune function. For vegetarians and vegans, black chickpeas provide an excellent plant-based alternative to animal protein. Protein also helps keep you feeling full for longer periods, reducing unnecessary snacking and supporting healthy weight management. Combining black chickpeas with whole grains like brown rice or quinoa creates a complete protein containing all the essential amino acids your body needs. Athletes, active individuals, and anyone trying to increase their protein intake can benefit greatly from including black chickpeas in their regular meals. Number 2. Supports healthy digestion. Black chickpeas are loaded with dietary fiber, making them an outstanding food for digestive health. Fiber adds bulk to stool, helping food move efficiently through the digestive tract and reducing the likelihood of constipation. The soluble fiber found in black chickpeas also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved digestion, stronger immunity, and even better mental health. Regular consumption of fiber-rich foods like black chickpeas may also lower the risk of digestive disorders while promoting more regular bowel movements and overall gastrointestinal health. Number 3. Helps control blood sugar levels. Black chickpeas have a relatively low glycemic index, meaning they release glucose slowly into the bloodstream rather than causing rapid spikes in blood sugar. This gradual release provides steady energy throughout the day while helping maintain healthier blood glucose levels. Their high fiber and protein content further slows digestion and carbohydrate absorption, making black chickpeas an excellent choice for people managing diabetes or prediabetes. Replacing refined carbohydrates with nutrient-dense legumes like black chickpeas can contribute to better blood sugar control and reduce cravings caused by fluctuating glucose levels. Number 4. Promotes heart health. A healthy heart depends on a balanced diet, and black chickpeas provide several nutrients that support cardiovascular wellness. Their soluble fiber helps reduce levels of LDL, often referred to as bad cholesterol, by binding to cholesterol in the digestive tract and helping remove it from the body. Black chickpeas also contain potassium and magnesium, two minerals that help regulate blood pressure by supporting proper blood vessel function. In addition, their antioxidant compounds help combat inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which contribute to heart disease. Eating black chickpeas regularly as part of an overall healthy lifestyle may help lower the risk of cardiovascular problems over time. Number 5. Aids in healthy weight management. If you're looking to maintain or lose weight, black chickpeas can become one of your best dietary allies. Their combination of protein and fiber promotes fullness, helping you feel satisfied after meals and reducing the urge to overeat. Because they digest slowly, black chickpeas provide sustained energy instead of the quick highs and crashes associated with sugary snacks and refined carbohydrates. This makes it easier to stick to healthy eating habits throughout the day. Their nutrient density means you're getting plenty of vitamins and minerals without consuming excessive calories, making black chickpeas an ideal food for balanced weight management. Number 6. Strengthens bones. Healthy bones require more than just calcium, and black chickpeas contain several nutrients that contribute to bone strength. They provide phosphorus, magnesium, iron, and manganese, all of which play important roles in maintaining healthy bones and connective tissues. Magnesium helps the body utilize calcium effectively, while phosphorus works alongside calcium to build and maintain strong bones. Manganese supports the formation of bone tissue and helps protect against oxidative damage. Including black chickpeas as part of a varied diet can help support bone health throughout life, especially when combined with regular physical activity and sufficient vitamin D intake. Number 7. Boosts energy naturally. Feeling tired or lacking energy may sometimes be related to nutritional deficiencies, particularly low iron intake. Black chickpeas contain iron, an essential mineral involved in producing hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body. They also provide complex carbohydrates that release energy gradually, helping prevent the sudden energy crashes associated with sugary foods. Additionally, their B vitamins assist in converting food into usable energy for daily activities. This combination makes black chickpeas an excellent food for supporting sustained energy levels without relying on processed energy drinks or sugary snacks. Number 8. Rich in powerful antioxidants. The dark color of black chickpeas is a sign that they contain beneficial antioxidant compounds. Antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage cells and contribute to aging and chronic diseases. In addition to their natural pigments, black chickpeas contain polyphenols and other plant compounds that may help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Chronic inflammation has been associated with conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. By regularly consuming antioxidant-rich foods like black chickpeas alongside plenty of fruits and vegetables, you can help support your body's natural defense systems. Number 9. Supports a healthy immune system. Your immune system relies on a steady supply of nutrients to function effectively, and black chickpeas provide many of them. They contain zinc, iron, folate, and various antioxidants that contribute to healthy immune responses. Zinc plays an important role in the development and function of immune cells, while folate supports the production of new cells throughout the body. Iron helps ensure adequate oxygen delivery to tissues, supporting overall health and vitality. A balanced diet that includes black chickpeas may help your immune system perform at its best, especially when combined with adequate sleep, exercise, and stress management. Number 10. Promotes overall wellness and longevity. Perhaps the greatest benefit of black chickpeas is the way they support multiple aspects of health simultaneously. Their unique combination of protein, fiber, healthy carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants makes them one of the most nutritionally complete plant foods available. Regularly eating black chickpeas may contribute to healthier cholesterol levels, improved digestion, better blood sugar management, stronger bones, enhanced energy, and a healthier immune system. Because they are filling, affordable, and versatile, they can easily become part of a sustainable long-term eating pattern. Whether you enjoy them in traditional curries, salads, soups, roasted as a crunchy snack, or blended into healthy recipes, black chickpeas offer an easy and delicious way to nourish your body. While no single food is a miracle cure, consistently including nutrient-rich foods like black chickpeas in a balanced diet can play an important role in supporting long-term health and overall well-being. Black chickpeas are far more than just another variety of legumes. They are a nutritional powerhouse packed with protein, fiber, essential vitamins, minerals, and disease-fighting antioxidants. Their ability to support digestion, heart health, blood sugar control, healthy weight management, bone strength, energy production, immune function, and overall wellness makes them one of the healthiest foods you can include in your diet. The best part is that black chickpeas are both affordable and incredibly versatile, making them suitable for a wide range of meals and cuisines. By adding them to your weekly menu, you can enjoy their rich flavor while providing your body with nutrients that promote better health from the inside out. Small dietary changes often lead to significant long-term benefits, and making black chickpeas a regular part of your meals is one simple step toward a healthier lifestyle. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.